My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Mercy Eke, a particular blogger, don't come out to come call her out over 80 million naira wey be say they say she thief from one sugar daddy like that, and the sugar daddy don't sue her. And also Sheggz Olu, e fan don't come out to come call am out over the merch wey say give them, wey be say e collect money, e no send am. So a particular popular blogger wey dey call Cutie Juice come out today to come call out Mercy Eke over alleged 80 million naira scam. So according to the blogger dey claim to say Mercy Eke thief from one of her sugar daddy. E no really give us how she take do the stealing, but according to her, they claim say she actually kolobi the man money. We all know Mercy Eke na person wey be say she come out from the Big Brother house. A lot of controversies really dey surrounding, they surround the girl. Even though say she not be person wey be say they controversial, but I don't know why controversy they always locate the girl. Today, if they know they call her out, say she dey with one sugar daddy, tomorrow they call her out for scam. Person first come out come write say, I hear say una favorite BBM former housemate go thief person 80 million naira. These our girls, they know they fear. Oh, you wire 80M out from your sugar daddy account just like that. I hear say the man don't petition her to IGP. So on Wednesday, una favor right, go ask Mercy in the hands of IGP. And so this year na the letter of invitation, see her name Mercy Eke there. Look at the date, 5th July 2024. They say letter of invitation, conspiracy, obtaining money by false pretense, stealing, cyber scorching, and defamation of character. I'm not gonna lie, this particular news dey strange to me, because to kolobi person 80 million just like that from the person account, you go need to take very strict precautions for the thing to fit happen. Being a blackmail, and she blackmail the man, because for her to wire 80 million like that, they go must know say na you wire am now. So if it be saying a blackmail, na the man they talk about, or maybe she screenshot the man ATM card front and back, who knows. The news will never feel confirm her, because now allegedly we never really they sure, even though say we don't see documents. You know, say everything this na social media, anything can be forged. So as the news come out, fans don't come out to come laugh her. Some people don't come out come laugh mercenaries. They don't come out come drag Mercy Eke. Most of them don't they ask questions, say how this girl take dey sustain her lavish lifestyle where we say she dey live. A girl where we say not get anything before she enter Big Brother Naija pepper them season. All of a sudden she will come out as winner. She just dey flaunt different Range Rover, they flaunt different expensive things. Truth be say, Mercy Eke I think Mercy Eke don dey do business even before she enter Big Brother house. I'm not really dey sure about that, but it's like she don't get something doing before she enter inside Big Brother, or maybe probably immediately she come out from pepper them, she open her business. All of us know that say business not be something where be say once you open it go just blow. Make we see how some people see this new development. The first person here say, but is it the word she keeps flaunting on the social media space not questionable? Someone that was a nobody and struggling before BBN, and showed in her countenance on the show she must be rich by all means. Then what is surprising here? How has anyone asked what she does for a living? No, because the space we find ourselves is a materialistic society compared to the 19th century British society, where material wealth was the order of the day. Someone that cannot comfortably detail what she does for a living is another youngest idol. This is truly so sad at this stage. Truth be say, we bloggers we dey sabi twist things we dey sabi twist things, but make we just dey watch to see how Wednesday, say na Wednesday night they invite her, I na whatever wey won't happen now. So when Wednesday come, we go hear the full gist. Another person come say Mercy love for money and the fast life will finish her. Come put laughing emoji. Next one say, if you dey ask wetin she dey do to fund her lavish lifestyle, her gullible minors go one chop euro. The last person say Lambo don't fall her fans hand. Now Tasha will set ring light and say rubbish. Now fans go add thief join the Olosho wey they call Mercy Eke now, because it's going to be blurry very soon. I just dey hope say this news na fake. I hope say not be real, because if Mercy Eke actually do that type of thing, then I dey disappointed in her. Now that thing wey be say we dey talk, no dey allow what they call her peer pressure, the pressure anybody. Some people they go see their mate, they go say my mate don't marry me, I don't reach 30 something 40 something, I never marry. This one go say my mate they do better than me for business, so beside they do. Like, This life dey too short for us to dey worry about things wey be say we no get control over. More wey be say you get, keep it going. No look anybody, no compare yourself, do not envy anyone. First go dey alright last last. So onto Sheggz Olumara. So onto Sheggz matter with the fans, a particular ex-fan of Sheggz come out to come call am out over alleged scamming wey be say the guy do. According to her, she say she buy merch from Sheggz. She no actually call the guy name, she just dey talk her own. Na Sheggz na come guilty conscience come out to come insert herself inside the matter. The girl dey claim to say she buy merch from a particular housemate and the person collect money finish, e no deliver the thing. So as she make that statement, Sheggz come under that tweet, come tell her say if you want to talk to me directly, talk to me. None of us know say na Sheggz she talk about before, but Sheggz carry a two left leg come out to come tell the general public say na him na she dey refer to. The particular person come out, she say to the new housemate, please, when you come out and you're unable to deliver merch you are selling, please don't sell it. It's very embarrassing when you take advantage of stanship. Now Sheggz come out, come respond, come say if you want to at me, come direct sis. Don't claim to be a real supporter when you are not. Oh. Once a problem occurs or if someone goes wrong, you will bring it to the TL. It's very fake and immature. Tell me how Sheggz, how this girl mention Sheggz, wey be say him come out now to come tell everybody. As he do this thing finish, like his senses come reboot, he can't delete the tweet. But before he delete, as we all know, bloggers don't collect the thing already. Another of Sheggz fan come to make he come out to come support the guy. This one come to tag that girl where be say they call her Sheggz. She can't say at love OC, I hope you are happy now that they are dragging Sheggz. You set him up for real and it makes no sense why couldn't you reach out to his team if you didn't get a match instead of bringing it to the TL? You all claim to be supportive, but hereas in hindsight, enjoy. Hashtag Sheggz Olu. Because come back and say, please, a new show is coming. Please, kindly understand Sheggz if you can't stand anymore. This boy has been through a lot, working hard and doing right by his own. Even those giveaway and pays fees of few lots, as in this person English sef, to deserve this treatment from you ungrateful lot. A match of how many years? Even if the match na 20 years ago and he actually collect money not deliver am, that's stealing. It not make any sense. Imagine you buy something online now, you can't pay the person for the person to deliver the thing, can't they tell you story? You go feel say na scam. You go feel say the person they try to scam you. So I not really see any reason why we say you're a particular fan of yours go won't patronize you because they love you, and after you collect money finish, put them for pocket, you know, go deliver the thing. Me, I not go agree. I go come out, come call you out with my full chest. As this fan come out to come support, and that people come out, come drag Sheggz. So this person here come say, oh, she should have kept quiet because of stanship. That person come say he just casted himself by himself. I dey tell you. And now I'm gonna say didn't even know Mr. Iko, he never deliver mesh. He use his own hand to say him do him. Talk of immaturity. And now I say so because the person is a fan, they are worthy to be scammed by you. This Sheggz is actually slower than I thought. Sometimes when Sheggz they do certain things, I'm not sure say the reason before they do one. I they see some of his tweets and I they even wonder say why this guy they talk like this. Why they talk like this? It's not tweet where be say you for ignore. As the girl not call out your name. I didn't mean she call out your name. Hey, you won't come talk something fine. But this one, nobody even knows say na you. You just won't put yourself for dragging. I don't understand the guy. So the last person here because he should have ignored this tweet. It doesn't only speak to him. That thing too be say if he be just say Sheggz no no, if he be say no because you know to say when person be oga for a particular business, if you get subordinates where we say they tell say do this thing, do this tax and all of that, maybe the person where we say they give the thing not deliver am, maybe him where be Sheggz he not get the time to follow up because he don't believe to say my team they capable enough to deliver. Because also people don't come and come call out also too for this type of thing before where we say same match you know deliver the thing or something. So if you be say most of all this time these housemates they're actually busy, they give them to certain people to make people handle the thing, but those people collect money, you know, deliver the thing. And if it still be to say they actually scam the fan because a lot of these people in Nigeria they do one. Don't be say they will no one just they call their names, they do one. If Sheggz they really sorry about the situation, you better call those people where we say they collect their money from them and they not send them their merch. It's either you deliver the merch or refund them their money, case closed, and apologize to una take care, una bye.